Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on crypto basics, and today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to buy dollar on your Trust wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Now in order to buy dollar, first of all go ahead and tap on Trust wallet app. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on search at the top and then type dollar. After you do that, you will be available with several options of dollar, so you can select as per your preference. But then in here I'm gonna go with the first one that says USDP. Now go ahead and tap on buy, which is at the fourth option in the top. Now you'll be available with its value. You can always change your currency by tapping on the little flag which is at the top and then tap on your currency. If you use US dollar, then you are good to go, just like this. So go ahead and tap on buy with credit card. Now as you will be entered in this screen, you can go ahead and tap on the box of email address and then provide them with your email address, and then select the country of your residence in the second option, and then you can go ahead and check on the box of terms and conditions. You'll be able to buy your dollar. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or if you feedback for yourself. We'll be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.